my roller skaters of the world. This video is about how to feeble. There's a couple different ways to feeble. It's like a slide where, well, it's 1 foot sliding on the coping and 1 foot sliding, or well, 1 foot's rolling on the deck. So you can, I would think like the first thing you want to do before you do this is to learn the skill that we've called the cliffhanger, or Kev calls cliffhanger, because it's kind of similar, except that you have 1 foot inside the transition instead of on the coping, so it's a little easier to balance. So if you get that cliffhanger, look at the video we did about how to do that, get that down, then the next thing would be feeble. So there's a couple ways to feeble. I'm gonna try to show the first way. All right, so the first way is gonna be with your foot sliding like in the regular front side slide position, or actually more like back side slide position. I'll show that from over here. So I'm landing with my right foot on the deck and my left foot on the coping sliding off. Right foot on the deck, left foot on coping. Right foot on the deck, left foot on coping. See how I'm sliding along?
Yeah.
I'm not going fast. Go back in. Go back in.
Kind of dragging it across.
Dragging it across. The other way is going to be where 1 foot is rolling this way, more like as if you were doing a 50-50, but only on 1 foot. If you're going to do that, you want to make sure that you have cut or ground down the kingpins so that they don't drag on the coping, and you can, because I destroyed my kingpins doing this trick. So if you haven't done that, check out the video Kevin did about cutting down your kingpins.
Let's see what they look like.
Now I'm going to show that. Oh, can you see them? Can you get them under there? Yeah, they're all cut down.
They're cut down, okay.
Because I had ruined them before doing this, all right? So let's try it that way. And the other way you feel. You're on it.
Yeah.
You're like sliding on it with like, well, actually you're rolling on it. I don't have wide trucks. I just have standard trucks, so you're rolling on it.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, I almost went off.
That was a good one.
All right, one more. Oh, I messed up. Try again. Try again.
Ooh.
All right.
Where's your weight?
The weight, I think, is more on the foot that's rolling on the deck.
Okay.
Although some of the weight, I mean, I say kind of 50-50 actually.
Really?
Maybe a little bit more of the one on the deck. So anyway, that's feeble, something to try. If you have a mini ramp like this, it's great because you're gonna have many tries, even if you mess it up. You can try again on the other side. So hopefully that's useful.
It looks fun.
Yeah, it's fun. I think you should give it a go. And please let us know if you like it or if you have any suggestions or anything like that. And please comment and like and subscribe. Thanks.